Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with BigCommerce API using OAuth 2.0, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the BigCommerce API using OAuth 2.0, you first need to set up a BigCommerce developer account. Visit the BigCommerce developer portal and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, create a new API client by navigating to the API accounts section. Fill in the required fields, including the name and info for your app. Set the OAuth scopes based on the access you require for your application. After saving your new API client, take note of your client ID and client secret. Next, you need the store's URL where your application will be authorized. Construct the authorization URL using your client ID and the desired scopes. Redirect the user to this authorization URL to begin the OAuth 2.0 flow. The user will be prompted to log in and grant the requested permissions. After authorization, BigCommerce will redirect to a specified redirect URI along with a code. Capture this code from the URI. Now, use this code to request an access token. Make a post request to BigCommerce token endpoint with your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. If successful, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. The access token is used to make authenticated requests to the BigCommerce API. Store these tokens securely for future use in your application. For token expiration, you can use the refresh token to obtain a new access token without user interaction. Test the access token by making a sample API call to ensure your authentication setup is working correctly. That concludes the process of authenticating with the BigCommerce API using OAuth 2.0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.